This is the best way to learn Fusion. Hi, I'm Faris, and I'll be your host for our brand new training, Pro Compositing and VFX in Fusion. And we're gonna make movie magic. In this course, we'll dive deep into adding visual effects to real-world footage, exploring the most practical and useful techniques for green screen, tracking, 3D renders, particles, and so much more. And the training comes in two flavors, basic and advanced. If you're looking to get into Fusion and you know nothing, you can start with our basic course. We explain the basics of how nodes work with metaphors and fun examples that aren't intimidating. Then we'll build on those skills to start creating amazing images. We'll cover the essentials of the major Fusion nodes, combining elements and pulling green screen keys. And we'll put every skill to use on fun, practical projects that are challenging but perfect for beginners. And for those of you who want to dive deeper into Fusion, we have the advanced course. We'll jump right into creating complex node graphs and explore industry-standard techniques for combining plates, pulling mats, and adjusting nodes to blend together seamlessly. We'll explore advanced compositing concepts like color management, matte controls, and node order. The advanced course jumps into complex green screen setups that have all kinds of problems to solve. We'll combine 3D render passes, work with particle simulations, and explore 3D space in Fusion. Pretty much this is the Fusion course that should exist but hasn't until now. So two flavors, basic and advanced, and save when you buy both together. There's no better way to learn compositing in Fusion no matter what your skill level. Plus, you get access to our exclusive Discord, you can download the projects to follow along, and both courses are part of our Lifetime Updates program. That means that anytime we update the course for a new version of Resolve, you get the new lessons absolutely free. If you want to master Fusion, here's how to do it. Pro Compositing and VFX in Fusion. Basic and advanced courses available now at groundcontrol.film.